TRUTUFF Safety Glass Pvt Limited. Welcome to a new age in glass processing. TRUTUFF Safety Glass Pvt Limited is a glass processing company that collaborates with world leaders in glass manufacturing. We are extremely proficient in glass processing, toughening and laminating. As South India's leading glass processors, TRUTUFF provides a variety of toughened glasses. The nerve center of our operations is our state-of-the-art glass processing factory in Kanjikode, Palakkad. Our factory is fully equipped with the most modern machinery and is in fact one of the few factories in South India that can process jumbo-sized annealed glass panels. We follow a fully mechanized process in the manufacturing of Tough and Safe range of glasses. Tough and Safe tempered and heat-strengthened glasses are heat-treated glasses with increased strength to resist higher levels of impact, mechanical load and thermal stress. Tough and Safe, fully tempered and heat-strengthened glass is produced by feeding the glass into a tempering furnace. This machine uniformly heats the glass up to 600 degrees and then uses high-pressure air blower for rapid cooling. This process makes the glass tougher and safer. Tough and Safe double glazing unit consists of two panes of glass separated with a spacer and a still layer of air or gas in the gap. This type of glass is largely used for higher heat resistance and better soundproofing. We also have Tough and Safe laminated glass that can be used for both interior and exterior purposes, where two or more glass layers are permanently bonded together. Our products are meticulously tested with approved quality control checks to make sure that our products are of the highest quality and are completely safe to use. We also have a top-notch logistics team and sufficient fleet of trucks for product transportation. Our ability to provide the best service in the glass processing industry helps us achieve complete customer satisfaction. Led by a visionary management, our team is fully committed to achieve this goal, and each of us work in unison to ensure TRUTUFF becomes a trusted and reliable partner. When you buy Tough and Safe glasses, you can be sure you are buying the best from the best. TRUTUFF Safety Glass Pvt Limited.